Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I just finished this Galaxy DX-959 Pro RFX. Has receiver modifications, alignments, and tuning in an RFX 75. This is for Julie in Pennsylvania, and this is a tune-up report. Julie on the swap meter over here. I'm going to turn the power all the way down. We got 0 to 10 watts there. You see I got it set for 4 watts all the way down. Now I'm going to change the scale to read 10, 20, 30 on the bottom scale. Oh. And now I'm going to bring the power up. You see it comes right up to 15 watts. Okay. Now over here we have 100 watts slug. We'll be reading power across the bottom here. 60, there's 80. Audio check. Let's turn the mic back up. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's turn the talk back on the radio off. And this radio off. And listen to this one. Audio. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll go over sideband. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. All right. Baker 19 for radio check. I think I hear someone answering me, but it's so noisy out here.
I got mine.
There you go. Now I heard somebody.
I got mine.
Tim Vaughan, you got yours. Is it in your hands?